Okay, hi guys. I am Raylan. I am going to read a book, and this is the book that I'm going to read. If you can't really see it, it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. I'm a good reader. I'm only in first grade, so I know how to read lots of books. So I am going to read this one to you, okay? This is where I'm going to read it. I have an old house. I have to live in my grandma's. So I'm going to let, you know what, I'm going to sit in the ground. I'm going to let you guys see me read I'm a Pig. So first, pigs make me sneeze. Garmold. I'm just looking into the camera. What? I already read this 1,000 times. Well, not 1,000 times. I read I'm a Frog 1,000 times, and it's one of these, and it's pig pretending to be a frog. But we'll talk about that in the next episode, but I don't have it, so I don't know. Okay, I'll read it like this. What do you want to do today? I want Yes, this is all for the kids out there. Yes, here's the picture. If you couldn't see, rewind that, okay? Okay. I'm not gonna do it like this. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? See? You can read that here out. See? Actually, yeah. Never mind when I said that. Chocolate! This is my dog. Here is she. Her name is Chocolate, but I call her Puppy. Puppy! Chocolate. Well, yeah. In the next video, I'm going to be climbing something around here, and it's very fun to climb. What? Yeah? Sorry. I just got my mom's phone. Hold on. Okay, guys. I had to talk to my mom because I stole her phone. Yeah. Now we're back on and just that. That's why I paused the video in case you guys don't want to wait and hear what my mom's saying. So I just let me pause the video. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Yes. Subscribe, all them kids out there. If you like this, if all of my friends are watching this, I hope you thumbs up. Chocolate. Yes, like chocolate. Yes, this is Chocolate. Hi, Chocolate. Chocolate, get the video. Wave. Hi. Yeah, that's Chocolate. She didn't see. Oops. I lost where I was, so let me go back. That's how I tore pages. No! I lost the page. I was at page 7. So, yeah. Okay, we're at page 2. If you can see that. 2 is blowing pig away, and are you okay, puppy? Sorry if there's a lot of things annoying you. But yes. Sniff? Are you okay? I'll show you the picture. This one is Sniff. And this one is, are you okay? Sorry if it's upside down for you guys. Oh, sorry! I did not mean that. Oh. Now it's upside. Well, are you okay? Just read that like that. I don't care about nothing. Let me see. You can buy this somewhere, but this is not, okay, pause it now. Just kidding. I really actually need to pause it. I'm gonna pause it right about now. If you're wondering, I'm recording on the phone. I can't record. I know, little thing. Well, bye. I'll meet you in the next video because I'm done with this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.